Dear students, yesterday we were studying our first exercise. Only two questions were left. So let's start it. Question number 8 is arrange the following groups of rational numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller number to greater number. Means first we write the smaller number and in the end we write the greater number. So you have to arrange the given rational number in ascending order. So first you have to compare the rational number, that which rational number is having the smaller value and which rational number is having the greater value. So for that you have to compare the rational numbers, and I have already told you how to compare two rational numbers. Two cases are there. First is when the denominator is equal and second is when the denominator is not equal. So here you can clearly see that the denominator is not equal. So there will be two cases. First, either you make the denominator equal or you go through with the decimal method. You can solve this question by any of the method, but students, decimal method is easier than the denominator method, so I'll go through with the decimal method. But if you want to solve this question by the denominator method, you are free to do so. So how to solve this question by the decimal method? First, convert all the rational numbers in the decimal forms. Minus 1 by 4 will be equal to 0.25 and the minus sign will be same, means minus 1 by 4, the decimal form of minus 1 by 4 will be minus 0.25. The decimal value of 1 by 2 will be 0.5. 7 by 8 will equal to 0.875. 15 by 16 will equal to 0.937 and minus 9 by 40 will equal to minus 0.225. Now you have to compare the rational numbers given here. So how to compare the rational numbers? Students, I have already told you that the negative number is always less than the positive number. So here 0 minus 0.25 and minus 0.225 is having a negative sign. Okay, so first find out that which number is smaller than these two numbers. So minus 0.25 and minus 0.225, which number will smaller than these two number? In the number line, left hand side belongs all the negative numbers and the negative numbers are in descending order. Therefore, 0.25 will be less than this number. Therefore, in our ascending order, the first number will be minus 0.25 and after that minus 0.225. Now let's compare the number which is having the positive sign. Here three numbers are there, this and this. Now you have to compare in these three numbers that which number is having the smaller value. As you can see, this is 0.5, so 0.5 is less than this and this number. Therefore, in the third place we write 0.5. After that 0.875 is smaller than 0.937. So we write here 0.875 and in the last the greater number which is 0.937. This is your ascending order. So our next question is question number 9. Arrange the following groups of rational number in descending order. Descending order means greater number to smaller number. Means first we write the greater number and in the end we write the smaller number. So our question is given. This is our question. You have to convert. First you have to convert the improper mixed fraction into the simple fraction. Your question is given in mixed fraction. So first you compare first you convert the mixed fraction in simple fraction. So first is given minus 1 whole 5 by 8. To convert the mixed fraction in simple fraction, multiply 8 into 1 gives you 8, then plus 5 gives you 13. Here 13 by 8. Now you convert this 13 by 8 in decimal method, which gives you minus 1.62. In the same way, this is also given in mixed fraction. First convert it into a simple fraction and then convert it into the decimal method. In the similar way, first you convert this in simple fraction and then convert this into the decimal. Then when you will convert all the rational number in decimal forms, you will get these values. Now you compare all these values and write the rational number in descending order. Descending order means first you have to write the greater number. So which number is greater between these? Minus sign is always less than the positive number. So you leave the minus sign and first you compare all the positive numbers. Here the positive numbers are 1.91, 1.68 and 1.88. So which number is having the greater value? 1.91 is having the greater value. So first you write 1.91, and after that, after 1.91, which one is the greater value? 1.88 is the greater value. So in the second place we write 1.88. After that 1.68 is remain. So in the third place you write 1.68. Now you compare the negative numbers, 1.62 and the second one is minus 1.83. So which number will be greater than between these two numbers? As you can see, 1.62 will be greater than minus 1.83. So in the fourth place we write 1.62 and in the last the smaller number will be minus 1.83. So this is your descending order. Students, here our exercise first is over. I hope you will be solving all the remaining questions. Students, don't take maths as a burden. Solve mathematics with fun, then you will never run away from solving maths question. Thank you.